So, markets started the week on a softer note yesterday. Not exactly the kickoff Wall Street was hoping for. Hey everyone, it's Tuesday morning, August 12th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we begin, today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital. For smart investment solutions and high-quality funds, head over to amf-capital.de. If you enjoy the podcast, please rate it wherever you're listening and make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. All right, let's get to it. The Dow slipped about 0.4%, the Standard & Poor's 500 dipped 0.2%, and the Nasdaq gave up about 0.3% after losing earlier gains. The big driver? Reports that President Trump has decided to give China another 90-day pass before hitting them with steeper tariffs. That means the new deadline is now November 9th instead of this Tuesday. Negotiations are still going, but traders aren't exactly cheering yet. Last week actually ended on a high note. The Nasdaq had 2 straight record closes, and the Standard & Poor's 500 came just shy of its own record. Tech was in the spotlight, with Apple having its best week since 2020 after its big White House moment, and Nvidia hitting fresh records thanks to talk that big tech might dodge some chip tariffs. And in the latest twist, Trump confirmed he'll let Nvidia sell its older H20 chip to China as long as the US government gets a cut of the revenue. The deal doesn't include Nvidia's next-gen Blackwell chips. Reports say Nvidia and AMD agreed to hand over about 15% of the money from certain chip sales to China. So between trade moves, tech maneuvers, and that key inflation report coming later this week, we've got plenty to watch. Let's see how it all plays out. So, that's it for today's Capital Markets Quickie. I'll be back tomorrow morning with a brand new episode. Don't forget to subscribe, rate the podcast, and share it with your network. Thanks for tuning in.